What if I told you that one of Honda's most beloved off-road names has returned, redesigned for a new generation of riders? A motorcycle that once stood as a benchmark for trail toughness and enduro versatility has finally been reborn in 2026. Yes, I'm talking about the Honda XR350R, a bike that hasn't been seen in decades, but is making a grand comeback. The XR badge carries legendary weight, and now it's back to remind the off-road world what made it so iconic. Stay tuned until the very end, because Honda slipped in a surprise with this XR revival that might just change the way we look at mid-size dirt and dual sport bikes. The original XR350R from the 1980s was loved for its combination of manageable size, powerful engine, and rugged dependability. It wasn't the biggest or the fastest, but it was one of the most balanced trail machines of its time. Riders praised it for being easy to handle in tight woods, while still strong enough for desert runs and fire roads. It became one of those bikes that could do just about everything, earning it a loyal following. For years, fans wondered if Honda would ever bring the XR name back. 2026, Honda finally answered, and the result is the new XR350R. From the very first glance, the bike looks ready for business. Honda's designers leaned into the XR's classic DNA, but added sharp modern lines. The new XR350R has a tall stance, minimalist bodywork, and an aggressive LED headlight setup that's both practical and stylish. It doesn't try to be flashy. It just looks tough, like it's meant to take a beating in the dirt. The ergonomics immediately stand out. A narrow midsection for easy grip with the knees, a flat seat for unrestricted movement, and wide bars that make it natural to control whether you're seated or standing on the pegs. At the heart of the 2026 XR350R is a 350cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. Honda developed it to provide that perfect middle ground. Not overwhelming for newer riders, but with enough punch to keep experienced off-roaders smiling. It produces around 38 horsepower with a torque curve tuned for low-end grunt. That means climbing steep trails, powering through sand, or crawling over rocks feels effortless. It's the kind of power delivery that inspires confidence rather than intimidation. The motor also features Honda's latest counterbalancer system, dramatically reducing vibrations. A welcome upgrade for anyone who remembers how raw, older off-road singles could feel. The frame is a semi-double cradle steel design, chosen for durability and controlled flex. Honda balanced strength with lightness, making the XR350R come in at around 134 kilograms dry. That keeps it nimble on the trails without sacrificing stability at higher speeds. Suspension is fully adjustable Showa front and rear, with 270 millimeters of travel up front and 260 at the rear. Those numbers make it clear. This bike is built for real off-road punishment, not just gravel roads. Paired with a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear, the geometry screams Enduro heritage. Rocks, roots, ruts, this bike eats them up. Technology is present, but Honda kept it simple to honor the XR philosophy. There's a compact digital dash that shows the essentials: speed, gear, trip meters, and a tachometer. ABS comes standard but can be switched off at the rear for true off-road control. Honda also included 2 ride modes: standard for everyday use, and dirt for more aggressive throttle response and loosened traction control. That's it. No overwhelming menus, no endless electronics. Just enough to make the bike safer and more versatile without getting in the way of the ride. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. The XR350R averages about 28 kilometers per liter, and with a 12-liter tank, you're looking at a practical range of around 330 kilometers. That makes it perfect for a day of trail riding or even light adventure trips, without constantly worrying about fuel stops. For riders who push further into remote territory, Honda offers an optional larger tank in its accessories lineup, staying true to the XR's reputation as a long-distance dirt machine. Comfort, often overlooked on off-road bikes, has been improved too. The seat, while slim, uses modern foam technology that reduces fatigue. The riding triangle, seat bars and pegs, hits a natural balance that works for long days in the saddle. Even the exhaust note has been tuned, giving the bike a deep, thumpy growl that reminds you of classic XR singles while staying within modern noise regulations. Now, here's the surprise. Alongside the standard XR350R, Honda is releasing a factory rally pack edition. This version comes equipped with a larger tank, upgraded skid plates, handguards, navigation tower mounts, and reinforced suspension settings. For years, XR owners built their own rally-style machines out of the base bike. Now Honda is offering a turnkey solution right from the factory. It's Honda acknowledging the community and giving them what they've always wanted: a ready-made, race-inspired XR straight off the showroom floor. So who is the 2026 XR350R for? It's for riders who want something more powerful than a small 125 or 250, but less intimidating than a 450 motocrosser. It's for adventurers who love exploring backcountry trails without lugging around a heavy adventure bike. It's for anyone who wants a motorcycle that's light, reliable, and versatile. A machine that feels just as happy carving single track as it does cruising a gravel road. In short, the XR350R is for riders who want one bike to do it all, with the rugged dependability that Honda has always been known for. The XR350R's return isn't just about filling a market gap. It's about honoring history. It's about reminding us of an era when motorcycles were built simple, tough, and endlessly capable. But at the same time, it shows Honda understands the needs of modern riders: comfort, efficiency, and just enough tech to make life easier. The XR350R feels like the perfect blend of past and present. The 2026 Honda XR350R is more than a comeback. It's a statement that off-road doesn't need to be complicated, that mid-sized bikes still matter, and that the XR spirit is alive and well. This bike isn't chasing numbers, it's chasing adventures. So, what do you think? Has Honda done justice to the XR legacy? Or do you think this new version should have gone even further? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This has been your in-depth look at the 2026 Honda XR350R. Thanks for listening, and as always, this is Acer Rider, signing off. Until next time, ride hard, explore deeper, and never stop chasing the horizon.